Fedora Outlier LLC logo animation. Logo is burnt orange, reddish brown. The backdrop is black with light flares that appear then disappear across the screen.
Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Vashaun Jones, visionary of Fedora Outlier LLC and brand ambassador for the Debonair U. Now, listen, I'm not even going to take off the headphones. I'm going to use the broadcast mic, the Electric Voice RE320 for this one. No lapel mic, none of that fancy stuff. Listen, dropped a couple of days ago. Just got into my Macy's today. I mean, straight off the truck. The pallet of fragrances were just delivered. And the lady, when I come into Macy's, runs up to me. She says, "Hey, Vashaun, Mr. Jones, I got a new one for you. It's just off the truck. I know how we say it's new and it's 5 months old, but this one's just off the truck." And I'm like, "Okay, well, what is it?" And she goes in the back. It takes about 12 minutes, literally. And she breaks out this box. And we only have the small box. I was like, that's perfect because all I buy is the small fragrances, right? Check out my video as to why I buy small fragrances down below or somewhere on the screen. All right, so I'm going to be right back with my review and tell you the rest of what happened of Montblanc Legend Red, brand new in the stores today.
Various images of Vashaun Jones, an African-American bald man sitting down in his music studio with keyboards, microphone, saxophone, computer screen, soundproofing materials on the walls. The words "look good, smell good, feel good" attached to each image. Final image of Vashaun, he is outside holding a white cane wearing all white with the words "Debonair U" by Fedora Outlier LLC.
All right, so I guess I only get one take of this, so what you get is what you're going to get, because once I open up the box, it's not like you can do another unboxing. So nevertheless, she, my computer is talking to me. She grabs the bottle, she sprays it. I smell it. It smells good, right? But I came in here, I was looking for 3 other fragrances to check out. And I was smelling those, and I was kind of ignoring her because I don't know if you guys know, when you in Macy's and a fragrance person, comes up to you, they can either work for Macy's or they can work for a distributor, which sells a bunch of different fragrances. It's always that, more pushier than normal salesperson. You can pretty much guarantee they work for a distributor whose job is to sell fragrances. The person at Macy's may have just transferred over from, the underwear section or something. So nevertheless, I got the box open, and it looks just like the other Montblancs. That's it right there. All my other Montblancs, both bigger bottles, smaller bottles, look the same. The cap is pretty good and heavy. Smells delightful. Now, you guys know I don't do all those note breakdowns and all that. If you want to research it, I mean, me telling you it smells like plum and apricot and Brazilian nuts, doesn't really help me. Nor me giving you the batch code off the bottom. I don't understand how that works. It's brand new. 2 days. It smells phenomenal. Now, she didn't get me. I've turned this lady down, I know, at least 12 times, 13, 14 times in the near future, past, present. A lot. I turned it down a lot. But what got me? Nope, I'm just going to pay my Macy's bill. You guys don't have what I'm looking for. I'm definitely looking for that Blue Electrique by YSL. So I'm paying my bill, and I walk around the counters because, how they say, come around here and, I'll check you out over here. I walk around the counter, and I'm like, oh, my God, what is that I smell? They was like, I got you, didn't it? It's the new Montblanc Legend Red. I was like, you know what? Give it to me. Give it to me. So it's an eau de parfum, eau de parfum. It smells good. Don't know how long it lasts, so let's just say this is my first impressions of it. My first impressions is that it smells good. It smells phenomenally good. All right, so check it out. I'm gonna take my headphones off. I'm gonna disconnect. Well, I'm not gonna disconnect this microphone. I'm just gonna turn the video off, and I'm gonna go to bed because I am tired. And yes, it's 2:00 on the 20th of January, but I have been up and at 'em for a long time. So you guys know what it is. Let's look good. Let's feel good. Let's smell good. I'll be back later on for my full review of Montblanc Legend Red Eau de Parfum in about a week or so. And we'll take it from there. So you guys know what it is. Let's change the world. Let's change the world together.
Light flares moving over a black backdrop. The word empowerment in orange, all uppercase, appears behind the flares. Underneath the word empowerment, in white lettering, also behind the flares, is a mechanism by which individuals, groups, and communities gain mastery over their affairs. Light flares fade. A transparent mirror image of the words are also underneath.